Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Aveum Network. Have you started mining Aveum Network or are you still procrastinating? This project has already brought out their listing price, which is at 0.0214. The market cap is 21.31 million and the liquidity is 7.7k. This shows that this project is transparent and legit. They have given you their listing price and the liquidity is already out, the market cap is there. So what are you waiting for? Locate the link in the video description. Start immediately. Click on the link, download, register an account, use my referral code to claim welcome bonus. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do it to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. So I'm going to walk you through on how to mine this project. So once you register, the interface will look like this. Over here I'm already mining, that's why it's showing active, and after mining you're going to claim it every 24 good hours. You click on collect and you start mining again. Very simple. This is where you mine. Now there are things you need to understand about this project. One, there are many ways to earn Avium points, and not just for you to earn Avium points, you can as well withdraw it to your Web3 wallet. Their contract address is also reviewed. Here is where you can locate their contract address. If you click on this Avium listing price, click on this desk tools, it will take you to the browser and you'll be able to see their contract address, which you can import to your Web3 wallet. I have a video on that, how to import your Avium wallet to Web3 so that you can withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is 50 Avium. Once you earn close to 50 Avium, you can withdraw it to your exchange without any withdrawal fee, without any fees attached to it, and it's going to arrive your wallet. So what are you waiting for? Start mining this project now. Another way to earn in this point is you can now see this place, they say tasks. There are several tasks you need to do to earn rewards. There are a lot of tasks here. You watch their YouTube video, you follow their S account, you follow their Instagram, you follow their Twitter and all that. Let's wait for it to load and you will be rewarded. So these are the tasks you need to perform and earn rewards. So these are the tasks. Watch their YouTube video, you can reward. You follow their S, you're also going to claim 100 Avium. So do these tasks. These are the necessary tasks you need to do to earn more Avium. Now going back to the home session, you can as well decide to boast, but this is not a financial advice. You can boast to earn fast. Now they say that starter boast, that is you boast your mining for 83s, and this 83s is going to cost you this amount. If you are boasting for the basic boast, this one is the basic boast, which is 271s, and it's going to cost you this. So but know it that this boast is only 24 hours. So if you are boasting, it's going to cost you a lot of money. Imagine just boasting for 83s for 24 hours, and after 24 hours it will expire. You're going to spend a lot. So it is important you forget about this boast. But if you want to boast, go ahead and boast. But you can claim more Avium by doing the task and being on the daily check-in. Once you're on daily check-in, you're automatically going to earn more rewards. Now another thing to take note of is that you must do your KYC. KYC is mandatory for you to be able to withdraw. Without KYC, you will not be able to withdraw. Now, for you to withdraw, if you click on this last line here, you can now see account verification requires. You need to verify your account. If you click on this verify now, it's going to ask you for your Telegram username or your Telegram number, which you will put, and they are going to verify. But unfortunately, the Telegram verification is not working. I've been trying to verify it, but it is not working. Now the next thing to do is either you verify your account, that is your phone number, or you do your KYC. You must verify at least one. So if you want to verify your KYC verification is simple. what you need is your ID. So once you do to do the KYC, these are the requirements. You need a document and you need a camera and a selfie. This is what you need as your requirements: your document, your camera, and selfie. And the instructions said you have to select your country. Know your country. If you're in Nigeria, you select Nigeria. If you're in Indonesia, you select Indonesia. And you select the document type. They have different document types. It can be your national ID, it can be your international passport, it can be your NIN. So you select it and you take photo of that document, then you take a selfie. They are going to approve it. So you must make sure you pass your KYC before you'll be able to withdraw. So once you have done that, you have to link your withdrawal address. Import the contract address to either Trust Wallet or MetaMask or Bitget Wallet. If you import it, you copy your receiving address and come back here and click on it. So once you want to withdraw, you automatically click on withdraw and you are going to receive it to that wallet. So start mining this project immediately. Locate the link in the video description. This project is a low-key project. They doesn't make noise, and this kind of projects are the one that will do well. Join now and earn free Avium coin without stress. If you got value from this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.